Sarkar Meghalaya mengatasi klub play ka Chief Minister Football Fans Park aka SRGT Parking Lot 10 Shillong. Man ai chaka makerpang ya kiriu ieid football penyo peit kai ya jing dak kai FIFA World Cup aja apan di Rupang ka screen bae.
As you all know that we are very clear that football is something that people are passionate about, and music also is something that our people are passionate about. What better way than to bring these two passions together and to really promote football, to give an opportunity for the youngsters to experience the World Cup in a most live and a lively manner as possible, and also to promote our music artists and give them an opportunity to perform in front of our youngsters. So an event like this in the World Football Cup, which happens every 4 years, this is maybe one of the best ways for us to promote football, promote music, create livelihood, as well as give the fans and the people a great experience of the football and the World Cup. Thank you.
Thank you. So who is supporting?